Good morning. Today I'm gonna make some Jamaican breakfast, some fried breadfruit with some tin mackerel. So right here I have all of my ingredients already cut up, so I'm gonna get into the process. Turn my stove on. So now I'm gonna add in my breadfruit, and the garlic is to flavor the oil. So now guys, I'm gonna saute my seasoning. Add in my different colors of bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, chopped up garlic, my tomatoes, I'm gonna add some pimento or pimenta, my favorite spice. Go in and add my tin mackerel. Add a pinch of black pepper, some butter, Maggi all-purpose seasoning for flavor, and a pinch of salt. So guys, there you have it. Breakfast in the morning. Delicious and tasty.